bookshelves. Well, would you just be heartbroken if this was your bookshelf? That would just be sad. Instead of like that. Because that would be stinky, wouldn't it? Okay. Books were 50 cents a page for every page you read. Or I'll pay you a penny a page for every page you read. Or my reading goal is blank pages. I want you to go home, say, Mom, Dad, Grandmother, Granddaddy, let's talk about my reading goal. That's where you put in every day. I read 24 pages today. And I read 68 pages to this pencil bag. Okay? If you raise 50, and if you raise $100, you get the bookmark, the pencil bag, the book light, and this bookmark. There are balloons and play and food. And if you reach your goal, then you get. We never thought we would win the third year. And I think we can do it. Don't you? Don't you? Don't you? Aren't you teachers? We give books to kids. We give books to